Friends, today we discuss about an important topic of chemistry, that is chemical bonding. At first, we define chemical bonding. How we define chemical bonding? This is hydrogen atom. This is another hydrogen atom. Both the atoms combines and forms hydrogen molecules. This is hydrogen atom. This is hydrogen atom. Two atoms combines and forms molecules. The force which binds two atoms in a molecule is called chemical bonding. The force which binds two atoms in a molecule is called chemical bond. The force which binds two atoms in a molecule is called chemical bond. Now, second topic we discuss Lewis structure. Scientist G. N. Lewis represent valence electron in the form of dot nearby symbol of that elements. This is known as Lewis structure. For example, sodium atomic number 11 is equal to 281. In the outermost orbit of sodium, one electron is present, so Lewis represents sodium like this. This is known as Lewis dot structure or electron dot structure. For magnesium, here we write Mg 12 is equal to 282. Magnesium Mg this represents Lewis dot structure of magnesium. Scientist Lewis represents element with their valence electron. This representation is known as Lewis structure. Now we discuss octet rule. Each and every element wants to complete its octet, means 8 electrons in the outermost cell. This phenomena is called octet rule. This is done by number 1 by donating electrons, number 2 by gaining electrons, and number 3 by sharing of electrons. Each and every element wants to complete its octet, means stable electronic configuration like inert gases, means 8 electrons in their outermost orbit, is called octet rule. Hydrogen, lithium and beryllium completes its dual. So each and every element wants to complete its octet by donating electrons, by gaining electrons, or by sharing of electrons. This is known as octet rules. For example, sodium in the outermost orbit of sodium, 1 electron is present. It requires 7 electrons to complete its octet. It is very difficult task. Therefore, sodium donate 1 electron and forms cation and acquires stable electronic configuration, means 8 electrons in the outermost orbit. Similarly, chlorine, atomic number 17, 287. It requires one electron to complete its octet. Therefore, it accepts one electron and forms chloride ion, and its octet complete means 8 electrons in the outermost shell. This is about octet rules. Now, types of bonding. Mainly, there are 3 types of bonding. First, ionic bond. Second, covalent bond. Third, coordinate covalent bond. First, we discuss ionic bond or electrovalent bond. How we define ionic bond or electrovalent bond? As the name indicates, ionic bond means here formation of ions takes place. Formation of positive ion, cation, as well as formation of negative ions, anion takes place. Therefore, it is called ionic bond. This type of bond is formed by shifting of one or more electrons from one atom to another atom. This type of bond is formed by transfer of one or more than one electrons from one atom to another atom. For example, formation of common salt sodium chloride. How sodium chloride is formed? Sodium, atomic number 11, we can write 281. In the outermost orbit, only one electron is present. It requires 7 electrons to complete its octet. It is very difficult task. The ionization potential of sodium is very less. Therefore, it loses 1 electrons and forms sodium ion. In the same way, chlorine, atomic number 17, electronic confusion 287. 287. It requires 1 electron to complete its octet. Here, transfer of 1 electron from sodium atom to chlorine atom takes place. Nucleus, first orbit, second orbit, third orbit. Nucleus, first orbit, second orbit, and this is third orbit. In first orbit, 2 electrons are present, while in second, 8 electrons are present, and in the outermost orbit, means in valence shell, only 1 electron is present. In chlorine, 2, 8, 7. So, transfer of 1 electron from sodium atom to chlorine atom takes place. After donation of electron, it forms cation while chlorine atom accepts one electron and forms chloride ion. Means the bond which is formed by sharing of one or more than one electrons from one atom to another atom is called ionic bond. Second example is formation of magnesium oxide. How magnesium oxide is formed? MgO. Magnesium atomic number 12. We can write like this, 2A2. The structure is nucleus, first orbit, second orbit and third orbit. In the first orbit, 2 electrons are present, while in second 8 electrons are present, and in the outermost shell, means valence shell, 2 electrons are present. Magnesium requires 6 electrons to complete its octet, but it is very difficult task. No one can donate 6 electrons. So, magnesium itself donate 2 electrons and forms magnesium ion and acquires stable electronic configuration.